Welcome back to Next Gen AI Tools, your go-to source for the latest AI software reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the world of SEO writing tools. Whether you're a content creator, blogger, or digital marketer, getting your content to rank on Google is crucial. That's where SEO writing tools come in. They help optimize your articles for search engines, so that you can drive more organic traffic. Let's take a closer look at one of the best tools on the market today and see if it lives up to the promise of getting your content to the top of the SERP's search engine results pages. What is an SEO writing tool? SEO writing tools are designed to analyze your content and help you optimize it for search engines. They assist with keyword research, on-page optimization, and content structure to ensure you're covering all the factors Google looks for when ranking websites. These tools often use AI to suggest improvements that boost both readability and SEO performance. Key features of an SEO writing tool: keyword research. One of the primary features is the ability to generate targeted keywords based on your content. The tool recommends keywords with high search volume and low competition, ensuring you're targeting the right terms to rank for. Content optimization. SEO writing tools analyze your draft and provide actionable feedback on areas like keyword density, content readability, and internal linking. They help you avoid over-optimization penalties while ensuring your content remains SEO-friendly. Competitor analysis. Some SEO writing tools offer competitor analysis, showing you how top-ranking pages are structured and optimized. This helps you build a more competitive strategy by improving your own content based on what's working for others. Plagiarism checker. High-quality SEO writing tools also come with plagiarism checkers to ensure your content is 100% original, a key factor for ranking well on Google. Content grading and suggestions. Tools like Surfer SEO, ClearScope, and Fraser grade your content with scores based on SEO best practices and suggest improvements to help you get closer to an optimized state. What users love about SEO writing tools? 1. Increased efficiency. Users love how these tools save time by automatically recommending keyword usage, heading structures, and metadata optimizations. 2. Better rankings. Many users have reported significant improvements in their Google rankings after using an SEO writing tool to fine-tune their content. 3. Ease of use. Most tools offer a simple user interface, making it easy even for beginners to get started with SEO optimization. 4. AI-driven insights. AI features give dynamic, data-driven insights, improving content in ways that manual research might miss. What could be improved? 1. Cost. Some of these tools, especially ones with advanced features, come with a hefty price tag, which might be too much for individual creators or small businesses. 2. Learning curve. While most tools are user-friendly, getting the hang of advanced features like competitor analysis and SERP optimization can take some practice. Best SEO writing tools in the market. Surfer SEO. Known for its on-page optimization, Surfer SEO helps you build content that aligns with Google's algorithm by analyzing top-ranking pages and suggesting improvements in real time. Fraser combines AI writing with SEO optimization, giving you content briefs, competitor analysis, and keyword research tools all in one platform. ClearScope is focused on keyword and content optimization, making it a favorite among content marketers for improving readability and SEO performance. Is an SEO writing tool worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about ranking higher on search engines, using an SEO writing tool can make a world of difference. The ability to automate keyword research, analyze competitors, and optimize your content in real time is invaluable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, these tools can help boost your organic traffic and make your content more engaging. Final thoughts: SEO writing tools are game changers for anyone looking to improve their content's visibility online. From keyword optimization to competitor analysis, they take the guesswork out of SEO and deliver real results. Light bulb, ready to start ranking higher with an SEO writing tool. Click the link in the description below to access a free trial and see how these tools can transform your content strategy. That's it for our review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more AI software reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.